So this tutorial is going to show you how to take a PDF assignment and actually type into that assignment. So I have a test page right here, so I'm going to click on the assignment. And so I have my PDF assignment right here. So if I click on it, you can see I can't type in it. So there's a couple of steps that you have to do. First, you have to go to the three dots on the right where it says More Actions, and you're going to click on that and open it in a new window. Once you open it in a new window, you're going to get this screen pop up right here. And this screen is the open with. So you're going to click on that, and I already have several things already attached to my Google Drive. If you see Doc Hub, that's what we're going to be clicking on. If you do not see Doc Hub, you're going to go down to Connect More Apps. It's a little slow. So this screen's going to pop up, and you can just type in Doc Hub. So it says rate it right here because I already have it. If you don't, you're just going to, it will say install or something close to install. So you're going to click on that. So I'm going to go ahead and open this with Doc Hub. Now what you might see is you might get a few pop-up screens that are asking you to allow. So you'll have to say allow, allow. It's just connecting your Google account to Doc Hub. And that typically happens when you haven't opened up Doc Hub on this Google account. So once you hit allow, allow, accept, allow, and that again is just connecting you, and you'll see the benefit of connecting to your Google account. You're going to go up here and you're going to see this A. This is how we add text. So if I click on this A, and I'm going to go down here, and it's nice because it does these lines and kind of shows you where it's going to be. You can also take it and move it around if you accidentally put it up here. So I'm going to move it down here, and I'm going to start typing. Here is my answer. And you can just like this. If you mess up, you can always delete. So if you don't like it, you just click delete. So that is an easy way to add your text into a PDF file. Now for how to save it. So the next step is you're going to want to download. Okay, you can download it to your computer. I'm not sure as a student if you can submit it directly into Google Classroom. I'd love it if you can tell me if you can do that. We tested it out, but because we have teacher accounts, it didn't work for us. So I'm going to show you how to add it to your Google Drive. Okay, so you just export to your Google Drive. You can usually find a space for it. Usually it will give you an option of where you want to export. I think mine is already in my drive, so that's why it already knows where to go. But right here you can pick a folder. So I'm going to export to my drive, and then I can click Show in Drive. So the next step, so after you finish this and you've saved it to your Google Drive, you're going to open Show in Drive. So here we have it. Okay, so next I want to submit this assignment. Okay, it's going to be in my drive and it's going to show up as one of the most recent assignments. And so I'm going to go back, and on your screen I'm going to actually pull up what it will look like. Your screen will have this. It has your work, and you're going to click on Add or Create. So you click on that Add or Create, and you're going to add it from your Google Drive. You're going to find your assignment. Make sure you find the PDF. It will be a PDF. So don't think that it's going to be a Google Doc. It will be a PDF, but make sure it's the one that has your writing, because this may, if you accidentally saved the original assignment into your Google Drive, you'll have that one. So you want to add or create, and then you're just going to submit it. And then you'll see, Ms. Kruger and I worked on this. I can go in and see her work in here. And this was her answer. So we just we're playing around. So she just typed a bunch of words, but this is what it will look like, and we are able to then grade it. Okay, so if you have questions, I hope I didn't go too quickly in this, but if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Ms. Krug is able to help you with this also, because she also walked through this with me. So for medical assisting students, you are able to ask Ms. Krug, but please reach out and ask me if you have questions. Thank you and hope you have a great day.